So today I'm going to be talking about Snell's law, which is closely related to refraction and what we've been studying in class for a while. First thing to consider when looking at Snell's law is what is refraction? And refraction is the bending of light as it switches mediums, which causes a change in speed as it moves between the two mediums. For example, if light were to pass through the air and into the water, because of the change in speed of the light ray and as it passes through these two mediums, that's what causes refraction to happen. And also when you look at a glass and you see the light is bent from air to water, also can be shown by sticking a pencil through the glass, and you can see how pencil appears bent, and that's because you perceive it to be bent. And refraction can bend towards the normal or away from the normal. When it bends towards the normal, that means that it is reducing speeds, but when it bends away from the normal, that means it's increasing speed as it passes through each medium. And the Snell's law basically describes the relationship between the two mediums and how the angle changes accordingly, and the n values are already given to us, so all we need to solve for is the x value, which is the angle. And in this diagram here you can see the incident ray and the refracted ray, and the normal lines right here, and the mediums are separated by this line too. So the sample problem is hunters used to use spears to catch fish swimming in streams. Try and try again, they were beaten by the laws of physics, and it took numerous tries to catch a fish. If you see a fish swimming at an angle of 53 degrees with respect to the normal, what angle would you have to throw your spear into the water at in order to catch it on the first try? So like I said, the n value is already given based on the two substances, which are air and water. And simply this problem just asks you to calculate the angle by which you'd have to throw the spear into the water in order to catch the fish. And we know the fish is swimming at an angle of 52 degrees, so all we have to do is plug it into the formula and solve for n air. So as you can see here, we have sine 53 divided by sine n air equals 1.33 over 1. These two values were given to us, and this we just had to plug it in. Sine 53 equals sine n air times 1.33. Then you just solve this to get 0.6 equals sine n air. Then you just take sine inverse, and we get the degrees to be 36.87 degrees. And that's the angle by which you'd have to throw the sphere in. Okay, hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you very much.